Take a look at this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado 1500 has just under 24,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, cruise control, security system and heated mirrors. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.